morning, everyone. It's currently 9 a.m. Extra tired because I slept at 4 yesterday. I slept only 4 hours. Dumplings as a snack for later. So windy, guys. It's so cold. It was raining this whole week, but the sun is finally up. Beautiful. We're gonna do the Pomodoro. Hey, vlogception. Go check out Zoe's channel. Snack haul. My dumplings outside because it's gonna be so stinky in there. Ooh. Wow. Let's go back inside. Hello everyone, I'm at Eloria and I got the 고구마 latte. 오! 오 진짜 맛있어요. 오! 와우. 오! These are the notes. It smells really good. Okay, I think Ellorescence wins against water.
This one is, yeah. I think this one's really light. Oh, you think so? Oh, 감사합니다. Oh my god! Wow, thank you, babe.
Hey guys, now I'm in front of open floor because Angie wanted me to get a balaclava for her. I can't find it. Oh, I have a bun. I can't wear it. We're going to our friend Sarah's house. Pizza chicken!
Hey guys, we're having lasagna! You know what's actually really good stuff?
Do a 1-minute speech about dogs.
Dogs, I love dogs. Dogs are. I saw a dog named Spots. It had a very short life.
You're lying!
That's $5. That's insane. Hey vlog, welcome to our Ben & Jerry's mukbang. I need to introduce you guys to the Topped. Does anyone have the Topped?
No.
I haven't even heard of it. Give it a shake. Give it a shake. There's silent. Do you want to show the flavors? Ooh yeah. Dirt cake. Whiskey biz. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Whoa.
This guy who does like taste tests and he's like, this is how you're supposed to. Guys, the car alarms went off.
Our final seconds will be with the
To be honest, like,
That top note, that cream, pure vanilla. That cream.
I hope not.
do you like cookie dough? Do you eat
Oh my
cookie dough?
god, you do like cookie dough.
I love cookie dough. I like cookie dough more than
It
regular
raw.
cookies.
That's kind of crazy.
Oh.
Wait, is this not how you're supposed to do it?
No, I think you're doing just fine.
Oh shoot.
A lot of white chocolate.
I know, too sweet for me.
Yeah, white chocolate and regular chocolate.
You're a white chocolate.
Like growing up.
Did you just say white chocolate?
Growing up, I like white chocolate more.
That's so
These days,
yeah.
same. The Hershey white chocolate, so good.
So
The
good.
Oreo. Yeah.
No one.
The first day I met Emily, she was so proud.
Yeah.
That after ice cream.
Oh, so sour.
I'll try it. I'm afraid.
But they were short.
Oh.
White
Tongue
tongue
is such a crazy
Yeah.
thing we have.
The tongue?
The tongue, yeah.
That's
Such a
a
crazy thing to say.
I never appreciate the tongue.
Yeah.
dude, thank God we have a tongue.
Oh, wow, that's so crazy because it was like sweet. And then we ate something even more sweet, and now this is like not sweet at all.
Yeah.
You're so interesting, Tom.
It's so organized.
You're so organized. Oh my god! Whoa!
One episode.
Oh my god! It's Christmas!
Alright.